Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 1. This is Section 4.10, Problem 1. It says there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Part A, how many feet are in 57 yards? And then B, how many yards are in 57 feet? So first for A, what we want to do is start with what we have. We have 57 yards. And make sure you put the units of measure in. And we are going to multiply that by essentially a funny looking 1. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So because I want the yards to cancel, the yards have to go on the bottom. So I have 1 yard in the denominator, 3 feet in the numerator. So I want to put the unit in the denominator that will cancel the given unit, and I want the unit in the numerator to be the unit that I'm asked to find. So now yards in the numerator will cancel with yards in the denominator, and basically I have to do 57 times 3. I come across the top, I multiply 57 times 3, and my units of measure will be feet. Well, 57 times 3 is 171. And again, my units of measure are feet, so we can put next to A 171 feet. 57 yards is equal to 171 feet. Now for B, the given is feet. We have 57 feet, and we want to find out how many yards that is. So again, start off by writing what you have. What we have is 57 feet. And we are going to multiply that by basically a special number 1. You're going to have the same value over itself. But now, what's in the denominator will change. So I want to put in the denominator what will cancel the units of measure. Because I'm given feet, I want feet to be in the denominator to cancel. So I have 3 feet in the denominator, and the equivalent amount is 1 yard. So again, you have the same amount over the same amount. You're basically multiplying by 1. You're just manipulating the units. So feet on the top, feet on the bottom, they'll cancel. The 57 times 1, we don't have to worry about. It's to divide by 3. What I have is 57 over 3, and that'll be in yards. So if you have a calculator, 57 divided by 3 equals, and it comes out to 19 if you do that division. So the answer for part B is 19 yards. 57 feet is equal to 19 yards.